Hello Dollface, it's Kat here, and as you can tell, my hair is completely blonde, there's no more color, and I have my hair dyeing shirt on. So you guys know what that means, it is time to dye this hair again. I am so excited for today's color. I am going in with Eon Bright's Lemon. Oh my gosh, it's such a cute lemon color. I am so excited. But first things first, brush your hair, guys. Make sure you get out all those knots and you make your hair extra smooth. You just really want to get all those knots out because it will give an even application. Just keep brushing and brushing and brushing. My hair is kind of difficult and knots easily, so it takes me forever to brush my hair, which is why I never brush my hair. But now to get some gloves so you don't stain your hands, because stained hands are the worst. Oh my gosh, I accidentally touched my hair later and my hands are still yellow. Now get your conditioner and your dye and you're going to start mixing the two together. So you're just going to take your conditioner and pour it into a bowl that you're going to mix in. I used about half the bottle and just pour it in, and then at this point I realized I was using shampoo and not conditioner. And I was like, oh god, please tell me I have some conditioner. But wait, I did, guys. I still had half bottles from the past dye tutorials. So we're going to use that. Now pour the conditioner in the bowl, not shampoo. And you're just going to pour about, I would say half a bottle, but at this point I had like 2/4 bottles. So I just poured enough to cover my hair. And then I'm going to take my dye and I'm going to make sure I unscrew it and do a little dip in the cap. I love doing this so much where you have to poke the hole with the lid. Oh my god. This stuff doesn't smell good though, like the past dyes, That's a downside. Now we're going to take the dye and start pouring it into the bowl. I like to use that whole like toothpaste method where you roll it out. So I'm just rolling it up into the bowl. I am using the entire thing because I really don't know how this dye works and I want to make sure I get the most pigment I can. So I'm just going to pour in the entire tube of the yellow dye and then I'm going to start mixing it into the conditioner. Part of the reason why I use the conditioner is because I know Eon has a very thick consistency and I really want to make sure that I'm able to apply this very evenly and easily, so the conditioner just kind of helps smooth out. And you just want to keep mixing and mixing and mixing and mixing until you have the perfect color. And honestly, it's just so pleasing to watch those color mix. Like, oh, I am so obsessed with how this color turned out. So once it's all completely mixed, you're going to start applying it to your hair. I work in about inch sections and I just use my hands to apply it. I'm not fancy, I don't use a brush. I know I'm not proper at all, but I just like to work it in with my fingers and go by inch pieces. So I just grab it and I work and work and work and work and work and work and work on that same strand, making sure that the entire hair is saturated in that color. And I'm just going to keep doing that all around my head. So I'm just going to work that color in and make sure it's completely saturated because I want to make sure my entire head is a lemon, because I am just obsessed with this color right now. So just keep applying it. Once you've got the entire head saturated in your color, you're going to want to start wrapping it on top of your head and just kind of putting it up like that. That's just what I do to make sure it's out of my face. And just, get it all up there, just puck it up, and then, take some selfies because this is the age of Instagram. You gotta let everyone know you're dyeing your hair right now, so make sure you look cute and show off that hair dye. Yas, queen, you got this. Do your thing. Alright, come on, hurry up. Let's go, come on. Alright, now we're gonna go back and just put a plastic bag over our head. Not in that way, you want to keep it above your nose and mouth. You do not want to suffocate and die. And I'm just going to tie it up in a knot on the top, and this is going to help keep the hair in place and not get all over, so we're not getting yellow hair dye on everything you love and you're not staining it and ruining it forever. And just take a paper towel and just wipe off any of the excess dye you have around your face or skin, just to get it off so it doesn't stain your skin some. This was really potent dye, so I got a little bit of yellow. This is what it looks like now that's all rinsed out. Oh my gosh, I am so obsessed with this. I cannot believe it. Like, this is so different than anything I've ever done before, and like, I have always hated the color yellow, and now here I am with neon yellow hair. I love it so much. Oh my gosh, I'm just like, can we just, oh my god, appreciate this? I am so obsessed. I can't stop looking at it, honestly. I'm sorry I'm looking at the viewfinder. I really just, like, I can't believe I did this. I love it so much. I left it in for about 2 hours with the conditioner and everything just to make sure that it really fully developed in my hair. And like this is the result, and like hella, like I am a highlighter. Hello sunshine, let me be your lemonade. I just love it so much. I am like, I'm so feeling myself. I'm sorry guys, I just really like it. I am so happy. So yeah, I use the Eon color Brillaince and lemon, and now I'm a little lemon. I love it. I'm so happy. This is like really cute summer hair, and I am so ready to go to Disney this weekend with it. Like, oh my god, I'm gonna get all the attention, all the lights. Oh my god, I'm just living for myself. I'm sorry, I feel I'm so conceited, but I just really love my hair right now, and I really like how it turned out, and I really like this dye, and I kind of want to try more of the brights. I know I used some of their pastels before, but I think the brights formula is like amazing, because this is like in your face neon. I love it so much. I am just really happy how this shirt turned out, you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, because that'd be so rad, you guys. And also comment down below what hair color you guys think I should do next after this yellow lemon fantasy is over with, which I don't know if I want this to go away that fast, but I really like it. So thank you guys again so much. I hope you stay lovely. Bye!